Welcome to HomePantry Pro. If you have ever wondered how high-end restaurants achieve that perfectly consistent steak or incredibly tender vegetables, you have likely looked into sous vide cooking. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the Rocyis Sous Vide Kit. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It is a comprehensive system designed to bring professional-level results into your home kitchen with minimal fuss. Let us start with what is in the box. One of the standout features here is the all-in-one approach. Rocyis includes the immersion circulator, an upgraded adjustable bracket, and most importantly, a dedicated sous vide lid. Now, why does that lid matter? If you have ever done a long cook, you know that water evaporation can be a real headache. By trapping that moisture, this lid keeps your water level stable, which is crucial for those extended cooking sessions. You also get a detailed cookbook with 10 healthy recipes to get you started, which is a great touch for beginners. Under the hood, this unit packs a 1000-watt heating element. This provides fast heating and a strong 360-degree water circulation system. In practice, this means your water temperature remains incredibly stable throughout the entire container, ensuring that heat penetrates your food evenly from every single angle. This is the secret to locking in natural moisture and flavors. In terms of technical performance, the precision is impressive. You are looking at an accuracy of 0.1 degrees Celsius, with a temperature range between 77 and 198.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you are tempering chocolate or cooking a medium-rare ribeye, the control here is excellent. The digital touch screen is bright, modern, and very easy to navigate. It feels premium, and the stainless steel construction adds a nice bit of durability while looking great on your countertop. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the noise level is a huge win. At under 40 decibels, this machine is ultra-quiet, so it will not disturb your home environment even during a long cook. The versatility of the mounting bracket is also excellent, as it secures easily to both round and square containers. Plus, the safety features and the responsive customer support team behind this product add a nice layer of peace of mind. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, the container itself is not included, so you will need a pot or a bin that is compatible with the lid provided. Second, while the touch screen is elegant, it is a fingerprint magnet, so you might find yourself wiping it down after use to keep it looking shiny. Ultimately, the Rocyis Sous Vide Kit is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about elevating their cooking game. It balances raw power, precise control, and user-friendly features in a way that makes scientific cooking feel approachable and fun. If you are looking to save time, maximize flavor, and impress your guests with restaurant-quality meals, this is a solid choice. Link in the description.